welcome to my weekend OMAD vlog. Just made my electrolyte drinks here so you guys have an idea of how I make it. This is what I have every morning. It's important to have this or you will screw yourself up. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Daniella Joy and I've lost over 110 pounds on my weight loss journey. I've lost the majority of my weight eating one meal a day, and I am currently on a mission to get to my ideal body weight of 155 pounds. Why do I say ideal? Because that is a healthy BMI for me. I started my weight loss journey off at 282 pounds after binging my way up there after getting into chronic pain due to a birth injury that doctors didn't know how to figure out. So I was just very depressed being in chronic back pain for years. Got up to nearly 300 pounds, and then I was hospitalized for depression in 2017, and that was my rock bottom. And my rock bottom was the reason why I got to where I am today. I made a promise to myself to never ever give up on myself. So I've lost this amount of weight with OMAD. I lost 60 pounds with OMAD. Mind you, the reason why I started OMAD is because I got into a car accident last year, which triggered new sets of chronic pain. Just as I was getting over my birthing injury chronic pain, which I had for like, oh my God, 7 years. Then the car accident happened. I had new chronic pain in my neck, chronic headaches. I had a concussion, which I'm still dealing with. Concussions take years to heal, especially for us women. I have a severe neck injury where it's hard for me to sleep. I have to sleep with a special kind of pillow. And I have a busted knee, lower back injury, and a shoulder injury. But through all of this, I decided to find my strength. So I decided to start OMAD last year after binging uncontrollably because of chronic pain. I was trying to extend it fast. It didn't work. So I was like, let me give this OMAD thing a try. Tried OMAD. It was successful. And through the storm, I managed to get to the lowest weight I've ever been at. So now we're just continuing on that journey. On my weight loss journey, I've lost weight mainly with OMAD, like I said earlier. However, I've done keto. I first started off with keto, made this transformation with keto. Then I've done the regular looking weight loss diet. I've done high protein, low carb kind of diet, regular looking kind of 3 meal a day weight loss diet, Seco, counting my calories. Mind you, I always count my calories no matter what I do. But I find the most success with fasting, intermittent fasting, OMAD style intermittent fasting. I just find the most success combining with keto. So if you're interested in learning about that, smash the subscribe button and come join the fam as I'm documenting my journey to losing this weight. And not only that, I'm dropping tips along the way. I do vlogs, I do what I eat in a days, and I do educational style videos. So yes, and smash that like button, guys, because all these acts help bring me up in the algorithm. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for everyone who's been here. You guys it's on you guys. You guys have been responsible for helping my channel grow. You guys watching my videos, you guys dropping super chats in the live stream, even if it's a small amount, for some reason, it helps my channel out. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Anyway, enough babbling. I need to go to the gym. This is actually being filmed on Sunday because yesterday I was supposed to go to the gym. Then I don't remember what happened, and then I ended up filming a YouTube video. Life is hard when you have a brain injury. I barely remember what I did, but I was productive because I filmed, I believe it was a video on crushing hunger. I barely remember. Listen, I don't know how I'm doing this. I don't know how I'm uploading daily. I don't know how I'm doing this, okay? There's a spiritual force within me, and I did do a very powerful meditation this morning. I'm connecting to my higher self. Eventually, I want my channel to go that way because I strongly believe that the mind is everything in life. The mind is our strongest tool. When you condition the mind, it doesn't matter what the hell's in front of you. It doesn't matter if you have a brain injury. It doesn't matter if you have an illness. It doesn't matter if you're in chronic pain. It doesn't matter if you're financially struggling, if life is tough. When you condition your mind, you can get yourself out of any situation. Believe it to achieve it. So there you have it. Anyway, my mind just left the building. I'm just laughing at myself being all motivational and like my brain's like, bitch, you still have a concussion. All right, I gotta go to the gym, so let's do that. right, breaking my fast with some breakfast. Breakfast? I was gonna say breakfast. I've got here, I think 62 grams of bacon. I'll reweigh it because I totally forgot. 100 grams of egg whites, I know that because that's one serving, and 2 eggs. Bon appetit. Breaking the fast with some bacon. Sorry everyone, I'm getting a little sloppy with my vlogs. I totally forgot to mention that I broke the fast at 20 hours. I'm using Saturday's footage, but pretty much I broke the fast at 20 hours and 20 minutes both days. All right, my next meal is 170 grams of chicken right here. It'll probably be less because there's bones, and some cauliflower rice. Wow, voiceover time, guys, because I have no idea what the heck I did yesterday. I've been really struggling with this concussion lately. Like, my brain is it's just not at its prime form, let's just say that. But I'm a fighter, as you guys know. However, thank God for Carb Manager and Zero, because those apps are keeping me on track. Yesterday, I had 1,599 calories. I cannot even call this a keto OMAD. I don't know what the hell is it. Well, my net carbs was at 10 grams. It's pretty low net carbs. However, my protein is over 100 grams. Like, can you call it keto? You want to keep your protein under 100, but this is pretty good enough, I would say, considering I did go to the gym. And if any protein got converted by gluconeogenesis, well, you know what? I worked out. That's the process of when protein gets converted to carbohydrates. Anyway, 11 grams of fat. And there you have it. It was a lovely day. I had the chicken thighs. Chicken thighs always throw me off. Having a lot of chicken, it's great for a high protein diet. It's not great for a keto diet. I highly recommend eating meats like pork and ground beef and lamb for keto. They're more fat friendly per se. And things like bacon, of course. Anyway, if you made it this far into the video, just drop in a bunch of red heart emojis, and I'm sending you guys mad love. I promise today's vlog will be a little bit more organized. Take care, bye!